If you're looking to make money on Fiverr using AI, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into another amazing tool from Wondershare called Vrbo, and it's gonna make you money from day one. AI services are in high demand on platforms like Fiverr, but here's the catch. Not many freelancers are offering niche services in AI. That's where you come in. Fiverr allows for new sellers to offer up to 4 gigs at a time. If you were to use Vrbo, you could use this one tool to create those 4 different gigs on Fiverr. We could create AI avatars for clients. We could create talking photos for them. We could create video translation services in which we take their content and translate it automatically into languages around the world. Or we could take their URLs and turn those into video ads. This last feature is super cool if you're somebody who wants to work with sellers who are already on Amazon, Shopify, or eBay. For the purposes of this video, however, I want to focus on one of my favorite features, which is AI avatar creation. You can make great money by finding a niche that is in demand but not oversaturated. In fact, that's one of my greatest tips that I give to all of my students. For example, if you go and search for AI avatar on Fiverr right now, you will find less than 1,000 different sellers who are currently selling talking avatars. On the other hand, if you're searching for more general niches like virtual assistant, you will notice that there are over 30,000 different people that you are competing with. So when I say find a service that is in demand but not oversaturated, what I'm really looking for is a service that people are willing to pay for, but there are not too many other freelancers competing for the same gigs. Some of these sellers, you'll notice, are selling their services for $40, $50. And with Vrbo, you too can create custom avatar spokespeople for your clients. So let's jump into Vrbo so I can show you how easy it is to create an avatar so that you can start making money today. The first and easiest thing we can do is select a pre-made avatar from Vrbo's templates. And you have access to over 300 different avatars. When you land on an avatar that you're interested in, you can see a quick preview.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot.
And if you're happy with your choice, we'll simply create the video. Something else I want to mention is that you can change the format easily right from this screen, so you can film YouTube content or content that's more aligned for TikToks or Instagram Reels. Let's go ahead and create a YouTube version of Ethan and check out some of the other amazing features that you can change. The first thing we'll want to do is generate some text for Ethan to say. You can either upload your own script, write your own script out, or if writing is not your forte, and believe me, it is not my forte either, Vrbo comes with AI assistants to help you make the perfect script. I love that Vrbo gives us an example right here for how we can best use their AI. So let's follow their lead and create a spokesperson for our pretend client. So the AI has generated a script for us to use, and we have some other options to shorten, expand, to make it happier, to rewrite it. This is per you and your client, whatever your decisions are. But if and when you are happy with the result, I'm going to copy and paste it into Ethan's script.
Are you ready to protect your skin like never before this summer?
I cannot believe how realistic this sounds. Now, I will say one thing. I don't think that voice fits this young face. So what I want to do is go back to the avatar button, and I'm showing you this in case you also find yourself creating videos and you're like, that doesn't quite fit the face I'm envisioning. So let us find a doctor who I think fits a little better. Let's give him a nice background. I would like him to be in a doctor's office. Can you guys believe how good this looks and how easy it is to change these avatars in seconds? All right, let's test the voice again, see if we like it better.
Are you ready to protect your skin like never before this summer? The scorching sun may seem inviting,
But did you know that its UV rays are silently damaging your skin?
So I'm very happy with this final product. All we would need to do is download the video and then deliver that to said client. So I just showed you how to use Vrbo on the web version. That means you can access it from anywhere. There are no downloads, super easy to use. But you can also use Vrbo on its app for Apple or Android devices, which means you can create these awesome avatars on the go. Let's talk about pricing. You can try Vrbo right now on a free trial that allows you to access 50 avatars, create 20 different scripts, and download up to 2 minutes of free video. That's more than enough to give this tool a try and fall in love with it. If you're ready to upgrade and you want to try your hand at using AI for Fiverr gigs, also buy access to unlimited avatars, voices, and unlimited scripts for $19.99 a month. If and when you're ready to upgrade because your gigs on Fiverr are doing so well, you have the choice to upgrade to a $45 a year plan or opt for the Pro plan, which gives you everything unlimited except you are able to create up to 300 different videos a year. Now, I know you're probably thinking about the cost right now, but let me just say this. If Vrbo ends up getting you gigs on Fiverr, then it practically pays for itself. I like to consider paid tools like this as an investment in my business. So there you have it. Vrbo is this awesome tool that's going to help you build your freelance services on Fiverr and beyond. I think Wondershare's Virbo is a fantastic tool to add to your toolkit, and I'm including the link in the description box below so that you can try the free trial out for yourself. Let me know what you think about it. Happy creating, friends, and as always, thank you so much for joining me on this week's video.